Hi, I'm Joy with Back to Simple Home, and today we finally are showing the reveal of our little cottage. It has been so fun. We've been here about a month, but we have had so much fun decorating. And I say we, I guess my husband has helped a little bit, but it's been mostly things I love. We love the beach, so you can see a little bit of that inspiration in some of our decor here. So we're gonna just take you on a quick little journey around the house, and I'm gonna go into a little bit more detail later about how I've lived with so few of cabinets in the kitchen and how I've done the laundry and being in the bathroom. It has all worked out really well. So thank you so much, and we hope you enjoy the tour. Well, welcome to our home. We have just a few things left to do. We are enjoying just the peacefulness of country living. We've been having coffee out here, my husband and I have. Here's my red geraniums that look so good right now. And our front porch door with a wreath on there from magnolia to olive branch leaf. The boxwoods, I love the planters, but the boxwoods have a little bit ways to go to grow. Here's my great porch swing that I love so much. I'm so excited to have that. It's been such a fun thing in the evening to sit out and look out at the hills. So we're walking in the front door, and here it is all decorated. Some of this furniture we had in our last little house, our last cottage. Picture I got, it reminded me of my oldest daughter who loves to swim, and she's swam in lots of events, and that just reminded me of the ocean. Plus it reminded me of our family vacations that we go on every year at the beach. So those are two pictures of Seaside. A local artist has done ceiling. I did a little bit of decorating over the refrigerator, and my table and chairs fit nicely right there. We've had a lot of time to sit and enjoy some meals together and with some company. And my open shelving, that has been so nice, so usable. Everything up there I use. I'm gonna have to show you in another video how I use the space, but believe it or not, I do cook a lot, and all of my dishes have fit in all of those cabinets. So I have really pared down to just what I use, and I will show that in another video. But that's my pantry on the left-hand side. It's been so nice to have that space also. And just a little area. My husband and I both love books, and this is just only a few of the books that we have. And I probably will get a little lamp, but I just like that little bird right now. I kind of have everything decorated for summer. In the fall, I'll probably do a little bit of changing. My black chairs, my magnolia table that I bought before in our last little cottage. Just got a great book right here called For the Love of White. It's from a girl that has a place in London, and most of the houses are from England, and it's just people that love white like I do, and white naturals, and then lots of wood added to that. So one of my favorite features are my 3 hooks up here by the front door. Just holds some of my bags, some of the things that I need as I leave out. It's just been a nice addition. And then you walk straight into the bedroom, just looking from the right to the left. On this wall, I'm gonna put my little grands on there. I need some good pictures, updated pictures of them, but since I'm getting a new one pretty soon, I wanted to make sure to include her too. So I'll have 5 little grands, 3 little girls, and 2 little boys. So that is so fun. Got a lamp on each table, and I love the little windows up here. Just lets a little bit of extra light in during the day. Another lamp on there, same thing. Just I like the kind of a little bit formal look with having everything balanced. I haven't gotten the window shades up yet, so I haven't figured out what I want. I have, but I haven't quite decided what exactly the shade's gonna look like. My picture of Seaside Chapel. We're Going to be there in just a couple of weeks, so we're excited about that. Nice high ceilings. Love the ceiling fans. In both rooms, we went with the same ceiling fan. This is my bathroom. We have a washer and dryer that are stacked, and I am not joking. This has been the best thing that I could have done. It has been so easy, and I will tell you at some point why. Because we have a lot of our clothes and pajamas that we keep in this unit right here. This has been so great for extra towels. All up there, it goes all up high, and then I have my laundry detergent right there in that little basket. And I am going to show you in another video a little bit more details, because surprisingly, this has held so much stuff. It is just amazing how much you can get in some of these shelving units, especially if you pare down, and I'm really pretty good about paring down. This is one of my other favorite artists. His name is David Arms. He's in Nashville, and my sister and brother-in-law know him, and I just love his things. This is our shower, and here's the seamless door. We don't have a curtain, it's just a seamless door. It's been awesome. This has been a great shower. Love the size and the space of it. Had the subway tile with a little bit darker grout, and then I did a little medallions at the bottom for the floor. And right now I have just a little summer rug and my summer towels, but I probably will give that a little bit of a change when I decorate for fall. But those have been great hooks. I'm not a big towel bar person. I don't like towel bars, but I love hooks. Moving over to the vanity, we have our little light fixture, our mirror that hangs on those little chrome accessories. Here is the cabinet with the sink, and inside the sink cabinet we have just all of our toiletries down there. We have 3 drawers, and then lots of space here. My daughter made this little cute thing. It says, "Aspire to live quietly and mind your own affairs and work with your hands." It's from 1 Thessalonians 4:11, and I love that verse. I think that kind of says what we're trying to do, to live quietly, work with our hands, and just mind our own affairs. So I think that's a cool thing, a cool verse to live by. Love my round mirror. I love round mirrors. Just kind of broke up all the stuff that's square and rectangle. This is it. Someday I'm gonna have to show you all my favorite books. I have some of these books that I love books about the home. I love cookbooks. My husband and I both love history books and things about how to walk through books of the Bible, and that's been a real joy of ours. So we collect a lot of that kind of thing. So that's the only problem here, is we're going to be limited on bookshelves, but that's okay. We are hoping to make our next project, another little guest house from here. But I think as long as we can be here, I think we're just going to be happy. I've cooked several meals here. It's been great. We have enjoyed just the simplicity of this, the quiet nights. We still have a lot going on as far as what we do to help at the Shepherd Creek Ranch. But as far as being here, we've just enjoyed just our night times together and just the peacefulness of the mornings and how quiet it is. So. so much for joining us today. We are so excited that we got to share with you our new little cottage. If you have any questions, please let me know below. I'd love to see if I can answer them for you. Anything about living small or how we made a journey to the country. I might go into a little bit more details on some future videos. How we live in a small kitchen, how we have just our washing machine and a dryer in our bathroom, how we've lived with a small clothes closet, just all of the things about living tiny. Subscribe down below. Thank you so much, and we hope to see you in the next video.